Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to my lecturer and to my fellow friends. Today, my group are going to do an experiment about Boyle's law. And before that, I'm going to introduce myself, which is Muhammad Naim Muhammad Najmuddin.
Me Muhammad Sufi.
Me ni Muhammad Zakir.
And my name is Engku Izzairwan.
Okay, let's straight away to what is Boyle's law?
As you all know, Boyle stated that pressure is inversely proportional to a volume of a gas.
Okay, so with that statement, we know that the temperature will be constant, and that's why we at the outside, not in the room. And Muzaki, can you tell us what's the temperature today?
So the temperature today is 32 degrees Celsius and in Kelvin is
305.
So with that, we know that the temperature will be constant.
So the item that we need is a balloon, a syringe, and a string.
Okay, so this is the first experiment. And this is the balloon, which is we cut into a small piece so that we could make it inside of the syringe. And this is a syringe, which is 50 ml syringe. Okay, so first we put the balloon inside the syringe, like this. And then we put the pump inside of it. And for the experiment, you need to close the tip so that the pressure inside of it builds up. Okay, so I close the tip and start pushing the pump. And as you can see, the lower that I push the pump, the smaller the balloon will become, because the pressure outside of the balloon is higher than the pressure inside of the balloon. And the moment I release the tip of the syringe, it become normal because the pressure is unequal for both of it. Okay. Now I want to put a syringe, the palm of the syringe on top of the balloon. Don't touch the balloon, just on top of it, like this, just on top of it. Okay. And now I want to close the syringe again, the tip of the syringe, and I'm gonna pull the pump. And as you can see, the further that I pull it, the bigger the balloon will become. This is because the pressure outside of the balloon is lower than the pressure inside of the balloon, and make the balloons larger. And the moment I release the tip of the syringe, it become normal. This happened because the pressure of the syringe is inversely proportional to the volume of the balloon. Okay, so this is the second experiment. So the apparatus that we use is bicycle pump, bottle, sponge, balloon, and also duct tape. So, Sophie. Okay, so as I pump the bicycle, the pump, right? You can see it is shrinking, and if I release the pump, you can see it turn into the original. That is all the experiment that we're gonna do today, and I hope it's very useful and very meaningful to you guys out there that are looking for what is Boyle's law.